So I know you've been over this, but it trips me up every time. What products do you use before blow drying? So the first thing you always want to use is a leave-in conditioner while your hair is still damp. I know it locks in the moisture, protects my hair until the next wash, but what else do I use? Then you want a blow dry styling product that gives you great texture and protects from the heat of a blow dryer. No, like what product specifically, because I need to buy it. For fine and medium hair, Olaplex 6 is great at making damaged hair feel soft and shiny again. Yeah, it's really great for that, but I also like volume and body, and it doesn't give me that much. What would I use? You're absolutely right. That's why I would use Redken's Big Blowout to give you volume and body. What if I want the soft and shininess from Olaplex, but I want volume too? Then use both. Just make sure to use a little bit less so you don't have a ton of product in your hair weighing it down. Okay, and coarse hair for the people out there? Coarse hair is easier because it naturally has volume and body. What you need to watch out for is hydration and frizz control. Okay, and what product does that again? It's like Rebel Yell or something? Rebel Tame by Redken is the best, and if you have damage, you can use Olaplex 6 with it as well. Yeah, that's it. Rebel Yell, mo.